Wagwan family, in this video I'm going to share with you how I make this creamy mac and cheese. To my pot I have 8 cups of water, add salt, all-purpose seasoning and my elbow macaroni. To my food processor blender, I blend sliced cheddar and Kobe jack. Here I melt some butter, saute onion and garlic. Now I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning, some smoked paprika. Now I'm going to add the heavy cream. Stir it, allow it to come to a boil, then add the cheese. Now I'm going to throw the noodles inside. Here I add some sour cream. You want to mix it properly. Now I add it to the baking tray, top it off with the rest of cheese. Going to put in the oven to bake for 30 minutes. Look at this, nice and creamy. Tastes so good.